right, everyone. This is what I've been waiting for all school year. So I have the microscope. I have our. I need to get a new leaf. This was the leaf I picked. We have a leaf, and we're going to check it out under the microscope and see what it looks like. See if your prediction was correct. How close were you? If you were incorrect, that's fine. We're just having fun taking a guess, and let's go check it out. All right, everyone. So this is the least magnification, which means I'm not zooming in that much on this leaf. And this is what it looks like when I zoom in just a little bit with a microscope. You can see the veins in the leaf are the white curvy things. Those are the veins in the leaves that give all the leaves any food and water that it needs. But you know what? Let's go a little bit further with zooming in and see if it looks any different. Now look at that. That's zooming in even more. How cool is that? You still see those veins in the leaves, those white pathways that give all the water and everything and food from the soil. And now see if that's close to what you drew. And I would zoom in more, but the leaf is a little too thick and I can't get a good picture. But I do have some other slides we can check out of some other plants. So now let's check out those plants. All right, so next I'm going to be showing you something that's on this slide that is prepared already for me. And if you can read right there, it says it's a Mussel Orchid. Unfortunately, the camera's making it backwards, but it's called a Mussel Orchid leaf. And it's that little green dot right there. That's what we're going to be looking at. It's going to be really cool. Let's check it out under the microscope. So this is what that little green speck looks like under a microscope. How cool is that? So let's see if we can zoom in just a little bit more. Ooh. Check that out. That is cool. Man, you can actually kind of see some plant cells in there. And if I can move this needle around, oh man, that'd be so cool. But you see how it looks like bricks? It kind of looks like bricks all around in this little piece of leaf. Those are actually plant cells. How cool is that? And I would love to go into more detail with you, but I don't want to scare you guys off from learning about plants. But I will tell you one thing. Let's see if I can scooch it. You'll see like these little dark circles in the middle. Oh no. Let's see if I can get the needle on it. Yeah. Okay, right near the needle, there is actually a little circle. You'll see little dark circles in every little brick. Those circles are called the nucleus of each plant cell. Let's see if we can zoom in just a little bit more. Wow, now you can really see how it all looks like bricks. You can see the dark circles in each cell. So every little brick is called a cell, and the dark circle is called the nucleus of the cell. That is so cool. All right, well, let's see if we can find another plant slide to check out. All right, I found a cool one. This is a pomegranate flower, and it's just that little dot right there. That's what we're going to be looking at under the microscope. So I'll start kind of zoomed out first, and I'll slowly zoom in, and we'll see what it looks like. All right, guys, this is what the pomegranate flower piece looks like under the microscope. Now, we're zoomed out pretty far at first, but how cool is that? It looks totally different. Oh, man. All right, now let's zoom in, see if it looks any cooler. Whoa. That is so cool. Oh, man. All right. And we're going to zoom in just a little bit more and see if it changes. A little too blurry, and the top light doesn't shine well enough on it. So that's going to be as good as we can get for this one. But since we couldn't see all the way through, we'll just do one more. Alright, so the next one we're going to look at is a tomato. It's going to be that little piece right there. Let's see what it looks like. Alright, everyone, this is a tomato under a microscope. This isn't zoomed in that much. This is probably the furthest away we're going to see it under the microscope. Let's go in a little bit more. See how it looks totally different from all the other plants? The other ones didn't look like this. Let's zoom in just a little bit more. Look at that. Oh, those little gray circles are the nucleus of those cells. They don't look like bricks like the other one. They look different. But that's really cool. Alright guys, so I hope you had fun with the microscope. We're going to look at more things under a microscope in another week or two when we talk about animals. So yeah, we're going to look at certain animals under a microscope, which is going to be crazy. Maybe some insects. Maybe we might look at something I looked at when I was in middle school, which is you take a little swab of the inside of your cheek, and you can see the cells that are inside your cheek. It's super cool. We'll do stuff like that in another week or two. I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to submit your work to your teacher. All right? And I'll see you at the next science video.